steamed away. Thomas shunted the last truck crossly into place. The troublesome trucks were glad that job was finished. Oh. James happily steamed along. He was thinking about the fireworks. He was imagining all the sparkles, flashes, and shooting stars when suddenly there was a loud noise. And James ground to a halt.
I will have to go and call for help,
said his driver. Thomas puffed back into Knapford Station as Gordon was letting off his passengers. Children and grown-ups from all over the island had come to see the fireworks. Seeing the children cheered Thomas up, but Sir Topham Hatt looked concerned. "James has broken down," he said. "You must collect him, Thomas, and bring him back, or the fireworks display will be canceled." "Oh, no," cried Thomas. "Then all the children will be sad." And he set off to collect James. Thomas puffed across the countryside. Even with his light on, Thomas knew he had to be very careful. Thomas found James broken down on the track.
"Hello, busted boiler,"
teased Thomas. "You don't look very useful now."